Hey everyone, this is Eric Sargent, General Manager at Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. Just wanted to give you a quick little up close and personal look at the 40-inch light bar on a 200 series Land Cruiser. This is a Rigid Industries 40-inch single row Midnight Edition light bar. And of course we have the wind fairing from Prinsu that's for the 40-inch light bar. I'll kind of show you how it's mounted right here, up close. And those brackets come with rigid, or come with the light bar. And then also on this one we have a rear light bar, which is not wired into the reverse lights. That would be blinding for somebody, but we did install this and have a button on the Switch Pro to turn it on, so the owner can see the trailer that he's going to be loading at nighttime. It's the same light bar as in the front. It's a rigid single row Midnight Edition 40-inch light bar, and I'll kind of show you how it's mounted up here. And there we go. Extremely simple. And then for wiring, in the event that you would ever need to remove it, you wouldn't want to be cutting wires. So we've installed a Deutsch connector for a quick disconnect right up top. And that's a waterproof connector. Just clip it, unclip it, and then you can detach your light bars real simple. That is a rigid 40-inch Midnight Edition on the front and rear of a 2020 Land Cruiser 200. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. Hit like if you like it, or give me a call at 317-385-9572.